In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll begin on Squarespace's Create Your Website page. Open your preferred browser, head to Squarespace, and land on the page where you can start a website. This gives you quick access to your account tools and the site editor. You don't need to choose a template right now. Our goal is to reach the account area so we can work inside the site you want to edit. Look to the top right of the page and click the profile icon. This is your gateway to everything tied to your account. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Using the same login you used to create your site ensures you'll see all of your projects and settings in one place. From the menu that appears, select Account Dashboard. Think of the account dashboard as your home base. It centralizes your subscriptions, billing, and, most importantly, your websites. It's the fastest way to jump into editing without navigating through marketing pages or onboarding flows. Inside the account area, click on Website. This section lists your existing sites and gives you direct access to manage and edit them. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the one you intend to update today. Opening it here places you right where you need to be to make content changes. Once your site is open, enter the editor by clicking Edit. Navigate to the page and section where you want to add content. Hover until you see the Add Block prompt, then click Add Block. In the block picker, search for or scroll to find Accordion. Select Accordion to insert it onto the page. The Accordion block is perfect for FAQs, sectioned content, or any place where you want visitors to expand and collapse details without overwhelming the page. After placing the block, click to edit its content. Add your headings and the corresponding text for each accordion item. Keep headings short and descriptive so visitors can scan quickly. When the content looks right, move into the design controls by opening the design settings for the accordion. Here, you can customize fonts, sizes, spacing, icons, borders, and colors to match your site's style. You can also fine-tune how items open and close, so the interaction feels smooth and intentional. Before wrapping up, preview your changes and check them on mobile to confirm everything is readable and easy to tap. When you're satisfied, save your edits. That's it. You've used your Squarespace account dashboard to reach your site and added a fully customized accordion block for clean, organized content.